V888 drone operation video tutorial. Remove the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charging demonstration. Connecting the battery. Connecting the power supply. The red light remains on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Unfold the drone arm first. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone in a horizontal position. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. Left joystick up and down for frequency alignment. Internal A calibration gyroscope. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Advance. Backward. Flying on the left side. Flying on the right side. The speed switch beeps once to switch to the low gear position. The two beeps indicate the medium speed gear. The three beeps indicate the high speed gear. Press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone opens obstacle avoidance mode. Press the roll button and toggle the joystick. No one has the opportunity to perform a 360-degree roll. Electric camera adjustment. Press the fine-tuning button to enter fine-tuning. If the drone deviates to the left, it will be adjusted to the right. If it deviates to the front, it will be adjusted to the back. Press again to exit fine-tuning. Press the lighting button to turn the drone lights on or off. One-click landing. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Installation of protective frame. Align the protective frame with the arm buckle for installation. Install for protective frames in sequence. Connect to app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after completing the connection. You can now see the transmission screen. Pinch your phone and start flying.